AMAR offers consumers wide choices when it comes to garage doors. In traditional raised panel designs, AMAR offers two collections, the Heritage and Stratford.
So what is the difference between AMAR's Heritage and Stratford collections? The Heritage is our best traditional steel door collection featuring all 2-inch thick doors and super thick 24-gauge exterior steel and our strongest warranties. Doors in the Stratford collection are made with 25 or 27-gauge steel, and they have great warranties too.
24-gauge steel is 14% thicker than 25-gauge. And beware of companies that won't put their gauge in writing or use the word nominal before the gauge. Nominal means this is not the true gauge. Another difference between Heritage and Stratford is in the 1000 and 2000 series. The Heritage has painted styles,